Okay, bro, welcome back to the new trading recap video. So today, as you can see from the title, we had a successful trade and we made 11 euros. Okay, so let's do a quickly trading recap what we did. So yeah, this is the trade that I took, and basically what happened was today at midnight the stock market started growing because during the weekend we had some news that, or should I say, predictions or speculations. Actually, we had speculations that this week the government shutdown in the United States is going to stop, and at the same time Donald Trump during the weekend also announced that each non-high income citizen is going to receive $10,000 dividend, okay, from the income that was generated with the tariffs. So yeah, those were apparently good news for the stock market. So it started growing during Tokyo session, during London session, during pre-market session as well, and then of course during United States stock market session. Okay, so what actually happened was like this. Okay, so during the Tokyo session, during the London session from 9 to 2 o'clock, I didn't find any good entry. I wasn't quite confident in the market, so I didn't trade it at that time. And then the real deal happened in the stock market from United States session. Okay, so what happened actually during the United States session was that the price went up completely. Here it swept a lot of liquidity, like with this move up, it swept a lot of 1 hour liquidity. For example, pre-market high, London session market high, 1 hour high, it swept all of these and then a couple of others 1 hour highs, and then it started to reverse. Okay, and then with this candle here, you see, let me mark it for you. So right now here we had a break of structure after all of this sweep. Okay, and then here I was looking for trades to the downside, so I was basically looking for shorts, but I couldn't find any good entry. None of the confluences were according to my trading style. Okay, so I didn't take that trade. I predicted correctly that the market will go down, but I missed the opportunity. Okay, but don't worry, because after that we swept the pre-market session low, as well as we swept London session low. Okay, so when the price collapsed here, for example, when the price touched pre-market session low, I started monitoring the highs. Okay, because I was looking for a reversal. Okay, so let me show you. So I was looking for the highs. Okay, we do it like that, still no break of structure. Then we go lower, still no break of structure, and then with this move we sweep liquidity. Okay, we sweep London session low, and then here I was looking, okay, maybe right now we will go for it. Okay, so then what happened, let me just delete all of this and then I will guide you through it. So what happened was this then. Okay, then we go up and down, boom, here we break structure with this massive candle. Okay, and then when we break structure, what did I do? I marked a bullish order block like this, and at the same time I marked here the 5-minute fair value gap, as well as here it was another 5-minute gap. Okay, and when we started printing this huge ass candle to the upside, I actually panicked a little bit, and then here I placed one trade like this, stop loss below the order block, and I was targeting this high that we did at the stock market open. Okay, like this. And then what actually happened, the price reversed. Okay, and let me move this a little bit aside. The price reversed and it went straight into the equilibrium. Okay, so I took this 5-minute low and this 5-minute high, I drew the equilibrium, and then when the price touched this, you will see it, this 0.5 point. Okay, I went to 1-minute chart, and on 1 minute, usually when that happens, we are in a downside. Okay, but on 5-minute we are still in bullish trend. Okay, so then I moved this here. Okay, so the price would have to cut through this line in order to be bearish on the 5-minute as well. And as you can see here, we are already bearish on the 1 minute. Okay, so then the price touched equilibrium, touched this 0.5 point, it touched this 5-minute order block. Okay, this order block got into a reverse order block, so we stopped caring about it. Price touched into it. At the same time here it was 1 minute fair value gap. Okay, and then the price started to reverse. Okay, and then here, if you are paying attention, bro, where did we get a break of structure? Exactly, bro, we got break of structure right now here, which was indicating us that the market is going up. Okay, and actually my entry was, I remember, here, and the stop loss was down here. But what, and then we basically went up. Okay, and once I hit 0.5 risk reward ratio, I took half of the position off, and I moved my stop loss actually from break even. I moved it here because somewhere around here, bro, I don't remember anymore, but somewhere around here we broke structure. I mean, we reached 0.5 risk reward ratio. Okay, and then I basically put my take profit here above those highs, and then I went to do some other things. Okay, so actually trade was like that. I went to do some other things and I didn't monitor the trade, but as you can see, if I wouldn't go monitor, if I wouldn't go do other things, I could make basically double my money. Okay, so what I would do then, bro, I would move my stop loss gradually like this, maybe here. Okay, and then I would leave it right now probably here, or actually we have 15 minutes until the United States session closes and also the stock market closes, so I would just take the trade here and I would make probably double the money that I did. Okay, but no worries, we are still new to this, we are still learning, so the way that I did it was completely fine and correct. Okay, the only improvement that I would do with this trade, apart from trailing it, okay, apart from following it, is that I would enter here in this trade after this break of structure. Okay, and not here on the top, and I would basically, even with my take profit, I would make double the money. Okay, so yeah, this is what we have to consider for tomorrow. Otherwise, a really clean trade, a really nice sniper entry, I would say, and nice movement. Okay, this is what we like to see. This was trading strategy to the T, bro. It cannot get any better as it went here. Okay, so I'm really happy about it. And yeah, I'm gonna enter this trade now into our Discord server. Feel free to join. I'm not selling anything. Here we have trading breakdown, public chat, daily analysis where the market is moving, as well as self-improvement content. And yeah, feel free to join, bro. We have news as well. And do the hard work, bro, and see you on top of the world.